state government should be responsible for delay in establishment of sports university. Chief Minister Okram Iwobi Singh says government wants to establish sports university at Yaithibi or Koktruk as soon as possible. Hearing aid and assistive device distribution program at Kumanlam Park aims to create Guinness record. And Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura are likely to face cyclonic storm and heavy rainfall on November 5 and 6. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news of the day. The Union Minister for Sports Vijay Goyal and Chief Minister Okram Iwobi Singh today visited the proposed site for Sports University at Yaithibi Lokon, the site chosen by the state government for the construction of the National Sports University. The inspection team arrived in the afternoon along with Chief Secretary Oinam Navakishore and Wangjing Tentha MLA T. Brojain and other officials. As soon as the ministerial team arrived for inspection, the locals began their agitation. As the protest turned violent, police personnel fired tear gas shells and mock bombs to control the protesters. The Union Minister expressed surprise at the controversy regarding the choice of the site for the sports university. Speaking to media persons after the inspection at the BJP head office at Nityapal Chudhek, he said the site is a low-lying area and levelling of the ground will cost a lot of money. He also cited the law and order problem and people objection to the construction of the university. The minister said as the people have no objection in Koktruk, Chingkhong, company and engineers concerned will soon visit to assess the place. He said the state government should be held responsible for the delay in the establishment of the sports university.
मुझे नहीं मालूम कि राज्य सरकार ने 2 साल के अंदर इतना समय क्यों लगा दिया और फिर ऐसी जगह क्यों दी जो विवादों के अंदर घिरी हुई है और लो लाइंग है दिया। तो मैंने फिर मुख्यमंत्री को कहा कि जब मैं ज़मीन देखने जाऊं तो आप भी साथ चलिए ताकि ये नहीं हो कि हम कहें ऐसी ज़मीन है आप कहें वैसी ज़मीन है जी। देखिए जी, अल्टीमेटली तो इसका फैसला राज्य सरकार को करना है जी। अगर राज्य सरकार कोई और जगह नहीं दिखाती, नहीं बताती है तो फिर केंद्र सरकार इस बात का अंतिम फैसला लेने के लिए अपनी एक कमेटी बनाएगी जो इस बात में फैसला करेगी कि भाई कौन सी ज़मीन ज़्यादा उपयुक्त रहेगी और तबौल की ज़मीन उपयुक्त है या नहीं है।
Chief Minister Okram Iwobi Singh said the state government wants to establish the sports university at Yaithibi or Koktruk as soon as possible. The Chief Minister said a central team first surveyed Yaithibi for the construction of the sports university, but it can be constructed in Koktruk also. What the government wants is to begin the construction, and the centre has also informed the state to begin the construction at the earliest.
अखोई साइट सिलेक्शन से अखोई स्टेट गवर्नमेंट याउदेबा सिसु येंबा अमदुसु येंबा अदुना मोइन अइना थाजबददी मोइगी सागदब कंपनी अदुगी मोइगी आर्किटेक्चर सिंग कई याउरगने अदु मोइन लेपकदबनी अखोई सिदी सेंटर गिनिना नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी हाइबी सेंटर गिनेबा अदुना मोइना इंडिया गवर्नमेंट स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री ना कराइदना बेस्ट लोकेशन ओइगनी हाइबसे मोइना लेपकदबनी अखोई स्टेट गवर्नमेंट गी एनी होया थुना द होबिरो सिनी.
A large number of locals of Sora came out from early morning before the arrival of Union Minister and Chief Minister at Yaithibi Lokol to protest the construction of National Sports University in the area. Speaking to media persons, a protester said the locals will not allow the construction by earmarking paddy field. The protesters said the state government should shift the university to some other place. Police fired tear gas shells and mock bombs to disperse the protesters.
Chief Minister na sabi ke haragadi thora parjagi mafamda man bom thathraga punamak tumna hatok piramaga saragi university sabiu saragi rijak wariba maramdi pukchak tha iba aigi sara matama madakari gi noba phamphum thi wairingai ching ka khiba kanana sara parjana ka khiba natraba.
An LED monitoring display board which will display the atmospheric condition of Imphal city installed at the western gate of Kangla was inaugurated today. Speaking at the inauguration, Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, MLA Dr. N.G. Bijoy said the display board will give information on the water quality parameter, ambient air quality parameter and biomedical hazard. He also said an MPCB will constitute air quality monitoring cell in Imphal city.
LED display board the display to environmental slogan mayama ekoi tawgani hariba mayam dudi air pollution gi, vehicle pollution gi, noise pollution gi, the biomedical waste management, hazardous waste management gi, and the World Environment Day for every year. High with the Daikoina luxury slogan mayam duzu high river display LED displays da Uchagani Prajamayam Charpi Riva Kuding Manasu Madugi informative Wenanaba Haidana at Ozabani.
The rapist's father, who allegedly raped his own 15-year-old daughter, was not produced in the court today due to absence of the judge. He was taken back to jail. The accused is a Havildar of 8 Assam Regiment. He was scheduled to appear before the District and Sessions Judge, Imphal East at Cherab Court, Uripok. A large number of women collected on the court complex and waited for him. They tried to haul the vehicle carrying him when it came out of the court complex. The rape occurred on the 19th of last month in Imphal East. The incident came into light when the daughter attempted to commit suicide by slashing her wrist. Andro MLA T.S. Shyamkumar today stated that if the government, primary schools, secondary schools and colleges could provide good education to students, the rate of unwanted incidents will come down in the state. The MLA was speaking at the inauguration of a multi-purpose hall at Yaidipok, Laimanai. He also said it will be more effective if the people launch movement against schools where teachers do not teach the students or against lack of infrastructure in schools, like various organizations launch drive against drugs and intoxicants. MLA Shyamkumar maintained that Andro might be lagging behind in development activities compared to other constituencies, but it is ahead in the field of education. Lok Sabha MP Dr. T.H. Maina also attended the event organized by Laimanai Youth Club, Yaidipok.
Manipur kasumi paningai leite Congress na hujik koi Delhi da pai ji hata kitam se masi koi ki lila drama ta koi hap thaba gomani kada madam Delhi da pai ji mathang ka tum pai la kani honorable MP ji mathang daga ye koi pai ba ka da Union Cabinet Minister koi oibe ya ba enwani koi ki mamang kitam da so Union Cabinet oibe ya ba ne adu bolai ba tim oige de mathang kitam da di adum oige ni adu ga hujik Manipur su Congress sarkar se adum halakan.
Karongthil Junior High School in Machi Subdivision has become the first school to have smart board classroom in Chandra District. Autonomous District Council School Inspector T.K. Moshilfa inaugurated the smart classroom, which was constructed under upgradation of Junior High School 2015-2016. A demonstration on how to use smart board was held at the opening of the computerized classroom. Health and Family Welfare Commissioner P.K. Singh said the hearing aid and assistive device distribution program, which will be held tomorrow, will surely set a world record. The hearing aid and assistive device distribution program is organized by Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India and NPPCD Manipur under the aegis of Government of India, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Divyang Jan at Kumalam Park Indoor Stadium. Speaking to media persons, P.K. Singh said a total of 6,464 persons are selected to avail the benefits by conducting hearing testing camps in 49 different parts of the states. He said the program is an official attempt to create Guinness World Record, and a total of 36 cameras have been installed at the venue to give live streaming to the Guinness World Record Office, London. About 150 tables have been set to give the devices to the patients, and about 700 patients would be given the assistive device in about an hour to set a new record. It may be recalled that hearing aid and assistive device distribution program held in Gujarat set a world record by installing assistive device to 600 patients in 8 hours.
We have 36 cameras all around. They will be providing live feed to the Guinness office in London. Adequate arrangements for proper bandwidth, for proper internet connection has been made. The patients, when they come, they have to just register. All their records are already computerized. The moment they give their number, the record will pop up. They'll be given a slip and they'll report to one of these tables where an audiologist with the equipment will be sitting. The entire process will take close to less than 10 minutes per table, per patient. We have engaged about 400 plus volunteers from R.K. Sanatombi B.Ed College, from JNIMS and from Manipur University. All of them have been trained. They're all here with us just now. They have all been trained formally, and they'll all be helping us in crowd control and in conduct of the programs.
Volunteers of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam today attempted to storm the Chief Minister's bungalow, demanding suspension of police personnel involved in the assault of 5 Desam members, including its president. Police stopped the marching students on their way to the CM's bungalow on the southern side of Raj Bhavan near the Department of the University and Higher Education. Desam volunteers have been staging sit-in for the last 4 days in front of the Desam office at Kesampa, demanding suspension of the police personnel involved in the assault of members of the student body. A number of Desam volunteers and other students took a protest march from the Desam office towards the Chief Minister's bungalow today. However, police blocked the road and prevented them from marching ahead. There was a brief scuffle between the police personnel and the protester. Later, 5 representatives were allowed to go to the Chief Minister's bungalow.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ OC ꯏꯉꯣꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ SPO ꯔꯣꯅꯤꯟ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯁꯁꯄꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯅꯣꯡꯉꯥꯟꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 5 ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯖꯁꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯪꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯈꯣꯡ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯒꯅꯤ.
Headmaster of St. Joseph School, Andro, the accused in the molestation case of a minor girl student of the school, clarified that he did not molest the girl. Thokchom Bon alias Ibungo Singh has been accused of molesting a student of class 7 on the 2nd of this month, and people trashed him. He is now being treated at Advanced Hospital, Palace Compound. He stated that there has been a case of drinking detergent by the girl after a teacher found her using unfair means in the midterm exam last month, while in another occasion a mobile phone was seized from the girl. He expressed dissatisfaction at the people for making false accusation and appealed to the civil society organizations to find out the truth in the case.
Over khotpa puk nai khole kok chi adumai tawbadagi second period loraga dum mahasina dum sangsilaga laikhibadagi aina as kamai tawre hena ai boring dama sanghibdada mogi ojaibom chagi ni pisu lai sangsale angang je kamai tawbano yengbiru soloina ai thajengki adi matungda ai muk change chamwanda magi maraibak pai adagi magi mabukta karagai jagai da nai hebda magi area sina nai na ina khara melame iramsida maramsida ai karimta khangba leite isam samna dum lai aina wangang mugen tabidana anta ai hona tawriba thabak sidi pura torture ai bo hat ki hebagi intention na tawba male masi.
A cyclonic storm that is forecast to hit Bangladesh is likely to cause heavy to heavy rainfall in northeastern states, West Bengal, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh in the next 2 to 3 days. India Meteorological Department officials said it is very likely to intensify into a deep depression during next 24 hours and subsequently into a cyclonic storm. On the other hand, the centre has written to the state government that the northeastern states, particularly Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, are likely to face cyclonic storm and heavy rainfall in some parts on November 5 and 6. The MHA has advised the state government to keep a close watch, monitor the situation regularly and take up appropriate precautionary measures. This is the second cyclone in the Bay of Bengal in less than 10 days. Ukhrul District Mahila Congress Committee today held one-day block-level seminar at Amity Hall, Chingmairong. President of Manipur Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee, Loitongbam Tilotama, asserted that the Congress Party will win the 2017 Assembly election and once again form the government. She said the woman must stand against the gun culture as it cannot suppress the hopes of the people. Members of Mahila Congress Committee from different assembly constituencies in Ukhrul District attended the seminar. MPCC General Secretary and Parliamentary Secretary Victor Kaising said, Congress is the only political party which is right for the state and mentioned the development programs on the Congress government in Manipur.
अतोप पॉलिटिकल पार्टी मैम अखोद नाना प्रचार तौनब होनरीबा धमका तौरगा पॉलिटिकल माइलेज लौनब होनरीबा असिगुंबा टीम मयाम सिदगी अखोइना निंहन्नदना थबक जंक्शनगदबनी कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट लाकनी लाकदोरिबा मणिपुर के असेंबली इलेक्शन सिदा अदुना सुंसोय सोयदना लाकदोरिबा 2017 दा हलकदोरिबा कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट सिदा उख्रुल डिस्ट्रिक्ट की ओइनसु अहुमक से कारकलगा अखोइ कांग्रेस की सरकार की सिदा यावहलगा एमएलए अहुमक से यावहलगा अंगंबल लेवल दा नुपी सिंगसिना होनननबा हाइना अदुगी वारेप निंगसी लौनरीबसे गन कल्चर लैरे हाइबा मीसे मी चामगी मनुंग मी मंगा खक्तनी अदुना मदुना डोमिनेट तौनबो होनबसिदी अखोइ नुपीसिंगना यारोय हाइबा रिजोल्यूशन दनि ngasi लौरिसे.
Village chiefs, church leaders and locals of 46 Saikul Assembly constituency today resolved to vote for BJP aspiring candidate T. Paujalet Tauthang in the upcoming assembly election. An election campaign committee was also formed today. A meeting of the newly formed committee was held at Kanan Vang in Minuthong, attended by Naga and Kuki village chiefs, church leaders and locals including youths of Saikul. Speaking to media persons, BJP Manipur Pradesh executive member and aspiring candidate T. Paujalet Tauthang said Saikul constituency is lagging behind in development as most of the MLAs are not from the constituency. He said the people of the Saikul are yet to get benefits under National Food Security Act and right to education. He said as the constituency is inhabited by various tribes, it is important to elect a leader who can maintain harmony and bring development in the constituency.
Yaran ba first time da ekoi ason kilong karme aduti Saikul original mini hojik mangi mathang da kara iba ho khong sai pu sidongal om su bata jam thong ho ki do khumang phao even do khumang phao ho ki batas makoi mi mari sima Saikul kendra ta pok banate makoi si atok atok bati la aga ekoi gi sida ekoi sida makoi gi landing toraga business center gumna Saikul si sana khare imalai pak egi lam eina nu sidragati kanana nu sibigadra.
Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Ozam Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba, kok chikpa, tang chikpa, amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozam Lipsap group na puthok saba Ozam sinabiyo.
Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English News. The 13th death anniversary of Lunglila Elizabeth was observed today at Little Flower School on Titim Road. Taking part in the observance of the death anniversary, father of Lunglila Elizabeth, Francis Nazokpa, said, "It is important for students to have good character in order to succeed in life." The former minister also said, "Human life is precious, so it is important to have cordial relationship with others." He appealed to people to forget differences and forgive people to maintain peace and harmony. A mass prayer was held by students, teachers of Little Flower School and family members of Lunglila Elizabeth, followed by a floral tribute. As part of the observance, Francis Nazokpa inaugurated a waiting shed on the school campus dedicated in the name of Lunglila Elizabeth. It may be recalled that Lunglila Elizabeth, a class 3 student of Little Flower School, was kidnapped by unidentified assailants from the school gate on November 4, 2003. Her body was found on November 12, 2003.
You continue to appreciate your life of appreciation of others and yours. We have to communicate with people, and when you ask from your mother, from your friend, from your sister, from your brother, ensure that you prefix a word called please. Nobody will be angry at that. You are given or you are not given. You are accepted or maybe rejected. Ensure that you say thank you. We are human beings. We will commit mistakes, often again and again. Never feel humble to say, I'm sorry.
On the other hand, Mummy Artists Association also observed the 13th death anniversary of Lunglila Elizabeth at Kiamgai Haibong Makhong. People offered flowers at the portrait of Lunglila Elizabeth. Gifts were presented to elderly people in connection with the observance. Speaking at the function, Kairang MLA Karam Thamarjit said, Lunglila Elizabeth was a daughter of Manipur. He also urged the people to strive for unity and strengthen the integrity of the state. President of National Highway 37 Truck Owners Association, KH Inawa Maite, said the observance was held so that similar incident does not occur again in Manipur. He said if there is work culture among the people, there will be peace and harmony in the state. Inawa Maite also appealed to the people to do away with the bans and blockades and instead opt for the democratic means to press their demands.
Nusinaba laibada apunba laiba mafamda santi laigani maramaduna sing amsung tamda laibiri baisinau singna singi Fountain Organization singi civil society singna nakoigi district sing chakona bahona bada ngalaitana ban blockade tawbagi thabuktu khoi thadu asi yamna democratic oiba mongda khongjang changchan biu tampakta laiba khoju saruk jajage aduga tampakta laiba civil society amasung Fountain Organization singna chu aigi Dabi Pangnabo Honabda Ngalitan Bun, counter blockade, Rigi Bun, the Wimahutta, Yama Demutu, Sanction Minasi, Singi Praza Singju Saviabu.
The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has constituted a 5-member team for conservation and management of the Loktak Lake. The team will visit Loktak Lake soon and held discussions with the state government, agencies concerned and other stakeholders including people living in the vicinity of the lake. The team will review the works implemented with financial assistance from the central and state governments for the conservation and management of Loktak Lake and make suggestions, enumerate the steps required to be initiated for declaring Loktak Lake as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and identify steps to be taken to tap tourism potential of Loktak. Second Assam Rifles paid homage to rifleman late Ngairambam Suresh Kumar Singh of 24 Assam Rifles, who was killed in action during counter-insurgency operation at Chandel on April 6, 2013 at an event held at Wangjing Higher Secondary School, Thawbal on November 2. Officials of Second Assam Rifles and family members, teaching staff and students of the school paid floral tributes to the martyr during the event. Bihar celebrated Ningol Chakoba in a traditional fervor at Tulihal in Imphal West on November 1. Commanding Officer 12 Bihar hosted the function and extended greetings to the families and elderly women who participated in the function. In a press release, PRO Assam Rifles said the event was held to honor the local customs and traditions. Hiangai Thabal was organized by Manipur Alert on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba at Dashera Ground, Mukherjee Nagar in Delhi. The event was organized to raise fund for publication and program dedicated to Jan Neta Hijam Irabod as an eventual part of centenary year of October Revolution. More than 2,000 people attended the Thabal. Special traffic arrangements have been made in connection with free hearing aid distribution camp under the National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness tomorrow at Khuman Lampak Indoor Stadium. Vehicles coming from Ukhrul, Senapati and Imphal East District will enter the northern main gate of the sports complex, while vehicles from Jiribam, Tamenglong, Churachandpur, Chandel, Thoubal, Bisnupur and Imphal West will enter the western gate of the sports complex. Micromagic 100% organic multi-purpose cleaning solution made in Manipur was launched today. ICAR Joint Director Dr. Narendra Prakash, Green Biotech Eco Solutions Private Limited, Joint Managing Director Dr. Asem Sundari Devi, Geeta Shori Yumnam launched the product at Manipur Press Club. Public broadcaster Prasar Bharati is all set to launch a new 24/7 satellite television channel in the northeast on December 25. The Information and Broadcasting Ministry has allocated a sum of rupees 7 crore to the broadcaster for the launch of the channel named DD Arun Prabha. Prasar Bharati runs Doordarshan and All India Radio. DD Arun Prabha will showcase programs on the diverse culture of the northeastern states. This will be the Doordarshan's second channel for the Northeast region. The state-owned broadcaster already runs DD Northeast, which telecasts entertainment and information-based programs in Assamese, Bengali, English and other languages of the Northeast region. In sports news, in the 57th league match of the 11th Manipur State League played at Khuman Lampak Main Stadium today, Sagolbal United beat Trukpu Nambol 2-1. TH Tingthang Khomba and Lalram Lulhana Mar of Sagolbal United netted 1 goal each in the 86th and 89th minute of the match. Traukoi Kithel will play Nisa Thangmaiban in the 58th league match tomorrow. Youth Progressive Organization Sora have entered the semi-finals of the 21st Thangjam Bir Chandra Memorial Winners' Cup. In a match played at Tumuyen Khulen High School ground, Youth Progressive Organization Sora beat Katomai Football Club Tumuyon Senapati 2-0. Youth Progressive Organization Sora's Muhammad Ali Khan netted the 2 goals in the 62nd and 84th minute of the match. The tournament is organized on home and away basis by All Manipur Football Association, Racing Athletic Union Larikengbam Laikai and Highway Stars Unit Thoubal at Khuman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Union Minister asserts state government should be responsible for delay in establishment of sports university. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh says government wants to establish sports university at YTB or Kautro as soon as possible. Hearing aid and assistive device distribution program at Khuman Lampak aims to create Guinness record. And Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura are likely to face cyclonic storm and heavy rainfall on November 5 and 6.